What do you think are some of the things we can find in the kitchen? Let's take a closer look and see. Here we have a spatula. We can say a spatula is like a flattened type of spoon. Do you see how flat this surface is? This allows us to flip things and to scrape and to do much more when we're cooking. Here we have a knife. A knife allows us to cut. If you have vegetables or meat that have to be cut up, this is the perfect utensil to get it done. Of course, you need to ask a grown-up when using a knife because it's a very sharp object and it can be dangerous if not used properly. I see something delicious in that frying pan on the stove. So what I'm going to do is turn on the gas stove, turn on the burner, and allow this chunk of meat to cook. But I'm going to need one of my utensils to help me get the job done well. What utensil is this? Yippee, it's the spatula. So I'm going to take this spatula and I'm going to give my meat a nice little lift and a flip. Ooh, I almost threw it out of the frying pan. Silly me. And this is so lovely. The spatula was so convenient. It did the job so well. It allowed me to flip this meat nicely because of its flat surface. I love it. It really gets the job done. And now my meat can cook on both sides and cook really well. That's how I like it. So I'm just gonna leave that there to cook for a little bit, and then I'm going to go see what else I can find in the kitchen. Now, while the meat is cooking, I'm going to pour myself a cup of fruit juice. I really love fruit juice. Fruit juice is not only delicious, not only tasty, but it's also very, very nutritious. Has lots of good stuff to help my body to grow and develop quite well. And these things are called vitamins. I love my vitamins, and I need my vitamins to help me fight cold and flu and other sicknesses. So I'm going to have this juice while the meat cooks. Okay, the meat is just done cooking. So I'm going to turn off this burner and I'm going to take the spatula because this is what's going to really help me to get a good hold of my meat and put it on top of my rice. There it is, perfect. I'm going to enjoy this.